안녕하세요.
Thank you.
I'm learning. That's the first thing I learned 2 days
Really?
ago.
Do you have any Korean friends here?
No.
사과 품종이 되게 많아요.
So I'll give you a blonde. It's
Okay.
4%, nice and crisp, nice and easy drinking beer.
Okay.
For sure. I have an Irish red, raspberry wheats.
블루. 뒤에서 차가 쫓아와요. 어떻게? 또 계속 쫓아오네? 저 왜 쫓아오지? 여기까지 쫓아오면은 쟤 진짜 이상한 애예요. 어때요? 지금 쫓아와요? 쟤 왜 쫓아오지? 저 진짜 엄청 무서워 지금. 그리고 제가 왜 쫓아오는지 확인해봐야겠다. 스톱.
Do you need directions somewhere?
No, actually I was
You do have to stop at stop signs.
right. That's right.
With the business planning team with the Hanseling Cooperative in South Korea.
We are doing direct transaction between consumer and producer, so there's no margin in the middleman. So 75% of our price are going to the producers, and 25% are only for the operation cost. So
Or we may ship them directly. When you say flush here, when does that process? The sun is coming. The sun is coming. The sun is coming. The sun is coming.